friends, I'm Kathleen Hansen, and this is my Vocal Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. We are bringing it back to basics today. Whether you're a newer singer or just want to check in on some habits, this set of vocal warmups is for you. Your first reminder is that the way you breathe matters. We want a natural and relaxed breath that has a fair amount of stillness in the upper chest and shoulders. The abdominal area should expand on the inhale. Let's breathe in and gently sigh down. Once again, aim to allow singing to feel more like sighing. With that same sighing feeling, we're going to sing on saw, like saw and go. Saw, saw. Your next reminder is that it is okay to make some weird noises that aren't pretty. I want to get you to experience making different sounds so you have a lot of control over your instrument. So with that, let's glide on a creaky door sound on an E, like E, and go. E, E. Great job. We'll move to a slightly more open and relaxed E as we sing on E, A, like E, A. Here we go. E, A, to thinking about breathing. Say ha, ha, ha. Go. Ha, ha, ha. Now let's use that same engagement at the beginning of the phrase as we sing hum mama, like hum mama, mum mama, mum mama, mum mama, mum mama, mum mama, mum. Hum mama, mum mama, mum mama, mum mama, mum mama, mum mama, mum. Hum mama, mum mama, mum mama, mum mama, mum mama, mum mama, mum. Hum mama, mum mama, mum mama, mum. time for me to remind you that I have published a vocal warm-up app for singers. It's called Vocal Warmups with Kathleen, and you can bring me with you, commercial-free, and save your favorites for offline use. I hope you'll check it out. The links are below. Next, let's think about resonance, making sure that our singing is open and full. We don't necessarily want to form vowels the same way we speak, depending on our speech patterns, of course. So allow for a bit of an open throat as we sing the following pattern on mi, me, ma. Mi, me, ma. Here we go. Mi, me, ma. Mi, me, ma. Let's do some sirens and glides now. You can follow along with me or go at your own pace. Let go of any judgment and just get those vocal cords vibrating. Ooh. Now, thinking about a relaxed and open throat, we're going to sing on boy ah boy, like boy ah boy ah boy, 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 boy ah boy ah boy. This next exercise will help us find a balance of relaxation and support and bring us into a slightly higher range. We'll first sing on a v sound and then move to an oo, like v. Give it a try. up with an exercise that will take us into a higher range and remind us to stay relaxed and open. We'll sing on the words, I sigh to sing. The exercise sounds like this. I sigh to sing. Here we go. I sigh to sing. 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 Thank you so much for singing with me. I hope you're feeling warmed up and ready to go. Also, thanks for liking, subscribing, and checking out my mobile app linked below and here. I'll see you next time.